I hear my echo, my voice when I talking.
You can hear your echo.
Yeah,
Oh,
I don't know where's the echo come from. Hello, let's say hello, hello. 1, 2, 3. Hello, 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 hello. Let me see. Let me. Hello.
can you hear me, or is there any echo?
Now I can hear.
Can you hear
Yeah,
me
yeah,
now?
yeah. It's
Okay.
nice now.
All right.
Yeah, it's
Perfect.
nice now. It's
Yeah.
perfect.
Good morning, everyone. Nice to see you again. Today is Tuesday. No, Wednesday. Sorry,
Yeah,
Wednesday,
today's
3rd
Wednesday.
of July. Right. We will just keep chatting before getting on live. Okay. No, about this US dollar. What happened to my camera?
Yeah,
Okay, yeah, now I'm here. So we're just talking about how Donald Trump is trying to do so many things
yeah,
for his own personal stuff related to crypto.
yeah.
So, so I saw an article on where is this? Uh,
Telegraph, car telegraph.
U.S. lawmaker sounds alarm on the Genius Bill. The Genius Bill, the name itself is quite genius. And they say that this is a CBDC Trojan horse. You know, in a Roman history, or I think, or is it Roman history? Yeah, the Trojan horse is what the enemy would give to you, and then because this city, the ark has a certain height, so they send a Trojan horse that pretend it like a gift, you know, and then this horse is head is taller than the ark, the city entrance arc. So they have to knock down the arc in order to bring in the horse. But lo and behold, inside the horse are all the enemies hiding. Yeah. So 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 this and they say what the line between CBDC and centrally managed government regulated stablecoin is thin. In other words, it's pretty much not much different, you know. Yeah, so this lady by the name is a U.S. Congresswoman, Marjorie Taylor Greene. It says a genius stablecoin bill creates a backdoor for the government to
Yeah,
effectively create a CBDC and veil it as a privately issued crypto token.
yeah,
So it's quite a way she put it, and then they say that the regulated stablecoin features a functional surveillance capability. I don't know how far that is true, but let's take it as it is. Yeah. So and then this functional surveillance capability makes them indistinguishable from CBDC on. Of course, he said it in a different media post. It says the bill regulates stable coins and provides for backdoors, central bank digital currency. And the Federal Reserve has been planning a CBDC for years, and this will open doors to move you into a cashless society and into authoritarian government controlling your ability to buy and sell. So now they are calling their own government authoritarian. They no longer call their government democratic.
Yeah, that's right. But I can't find your article.
Oh, let me send this link to on the.
Yeah,
Sorry, I clicked the wrong
on
icon.
anywhere, so I can get it.
I'll send this link into this chat room.
Yeah, in this channel. Okay, let me
Because
copy.
I was supposed to click the chat icon, but I clicked the share icon.
Yeah, yeah, I got it. Yeah, because from the beginning, I also think that with the genius bill is a easy way for the government to bring more money without a Fed. Yeah.
So,
So
in other words, they are like telling the world, "Oh, we are not going to do CBDC," but then they are doing this that is similar to CBDC,
yeah,
and effectively make US effectively and potentially turning the stable coins into CBDC. Yeah.
yeah,
So if this really go through, we all use USDT to buy sell, right? So
yeah,
if this start to happen again, or rather start to come into fruition and become under control by the government, US government, then crypto investors will have to switch to something else. Like maybe everyone will switch to, I don't know, maybe switch to uh, what can we switch to? ETH, or
yeah. That's
maybe
right.
Vitalik will come out with something that is stable as well.
Because they when before they want to bring out some money, they need to find some asset to be backed up, like
Yeah,
you USDT, USDC, but with the USDT, they still not show up their account to show the asset has been back. That is issue, and now with this law, USDT have around 3 years to do the accountant to show up their bank access before they bring out more and more money out there. Now there a lot of um, news, a lot of the law uh, they want to support the the way to bring out the USDT and stablecoin before the Fed still keep slowly to reduce the interest rate. So now Trump and some government need to do some action before it's too late. Yeah, this is the way, in our opinion, I think so. Yeah. Back to some of the headline with the news. I want to show to you some big news like JPMorgan again. JPMorgan. Uh, last time, previous live stream, we also shared the slide about JPMorgan CEO Jamie Dimon say the company will get involved in the crypto stablecoin, and now we see again JPMorgan announced crypto-backed loan with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yeah. Uh,
so this one, the user or customers, they
yeah.
can take a loan of what back with Bitcoin, loan of CBDC. Oh no, loan
No,
of stablecoin.
no
Like
loan with the US the
ah,
money from the
so
bank.
you take a loan of fiat US dollar, and this is being backed by Bitcoin and Ethereum or whatever. Maybe that's the idea.
Yeah, because with this way, like on the exchange, you also can let alone if you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, and now also the same. Next, Lupo Murano ship the real estate asset to Bitcoin focus. Yeah, this is like a new to show us the real estate asset. Yeah, now linked together with the Bitcoin. Yeah, this is because I also don't know much about the Lupo Murano ship. Lupo Murano. No. And if we Google, we see how which company who are they? Yeah. This is a real estate developer in Cancun, Mexico. Yeah, now they link with the Bitcoin focus with the Bitcoin to Bitcoin focus. Real estate to Bitcoin focus. Yeah. Bitcoin focus. Yeah, they link with this with. So with this two news, they let us know that the Bitcoin and some of the main coin, day by day, they link together with the tangible asset. Yeah, it's not the virtual asset anymore. Yeah, but it show the power of this one. The next one, big farm to buy back 10% of share gold stock. Yeah, this news look like nothing, right? Let's see more information about this because in my own opinion, I hear that this way, big farm, they want to this one guess they want to um, improve their mining activity. Big farm rebrand itself as an AI and HBC company. Big farm, we know that it's uh, become mining popular mining company because they have the hardware power cool system need for SBC. Now the big miner are increasing turning to AI data center hosting to boost the revenue and make a better use for their uh, infrastructure. So this information that lets us know that some of the mining company they rebrand themselves. They turning to some AI activity and some mining activity also. Yeah, this is good news too. The next one is we see the BlackRock spot Bitcoin ETF lead the $1 billion inflow. Yeah, this one we see the uh, international interest lead to increase the asset accumulation by the major firm. Yeah, it's very important. Nowadays, we see the price of the Bitcoin and Ethereum is go up. Yeah, because we see the uh, international firm, some big companies, some big where they are buying and they make the price of the Bitcoin and Ethereum go up. They know that Bitcoin and crypto nowadays like the asset that keep the value for them. Do you have any comment on some of the news, Mr. Nicholas?
Please carry on. Yeah. But
Yeah, okay.
BlackRock being the very large institution.
Yeah,
Yeah. So when they ever since like how long was that ago? A couple of years back, they started to launch on this Bitcoin ETF and all. So it has driven quite a fair bit of power into the Bitcoin community. I mean, a lot of investors, they have been eyeing on all this thing. It's probably because of the demand. That's why uh, they started all this Bitcoin ETF. And of course, there's a demand in crypto, but it has to be weighed against the demand of the US dollar, right? So, so right now the whole world is basically looking at the US dollar as a currency that's slowly getting weaker and weaker. And that has very much to do with the current administration, where they start to blow this crypto portion bigger and start to ignore or rather diminish the effect, the power of US dollar, and this is just only one part of the possible reason. The other reason we all know that the global south have been aligning themselves with the BRI, which is driven very much uh, by China. Yeah, so you know that the American government, uh, even though they say, oh, we are good friends with China, but they are always fighting with China, you know, and even up to today, the trade war and all, it still doesn't totally settle. There is still some things that's going on, which of course on the forefront, on the media front, they will say, oh, we have solved the issue, you know. It's just like the war thing, where they say, oh, we have stopped the war, we have solved the issue, but the war starts again. It's something that will go on for some time, and it's hard to predict, you know. Yeah, but one thing for sure is that the Bitcoin, the demand of Bitcoin and the sentiments of Bitcoin investors, they are still very positive on the crypto and Bitcoin. That's why the price is going up to about 120, and the resistance is 116 or something. Yeah, so with this, we are actually hopeful to see Bitcoin move up to the next phase very soon. And now we are entering the end of July. We are 23rd already. Still got one more week to the end of July, and then August will come. Yeah. So this is in line with how we felt the price should be, and it's a great thing, you know. Yeah, Mr. Richard.
Yeah, and now one more news about Bitcoin. There's the what is there's about 15 six
VIX,
six
VIX,
VIX
VIX.
VIX. I also thought that this is a number. Yeah. There is no number.
If this is a number, then it's, I don't know, 6,
No,
10,
no,
5, 9.
not 16, not six, yeah. Has
Five.
a BTC Low Wall Street Fee Index. Yeah. BTC formed the bullish setup, repeating six candle consolidation with the eye on the 133,000. Support the Bitcoin ETF locked the 6.6 billion in the 12-day inflow, yeah, showing the record institutional demand. Bitcoin correlation with the VIX has fallen below 59%, hence a stronger asset independence. Low fixed level may increase Bitcoin volatile and potential price isolation. Yeah, this more news detail about this. This is just now in the article I tell you the in brief, and now we have look on the detail because just now we say about the institutional investor jump into the spot ETF. Yeah, here's is a chart the spot ETF. 6 days from the 2nd July until 18th of July. We see all the income inflow up. The highest is around 1 billion on the 10th of July inflow in the Bitcoin spot ETF. And here the BTC chart suggests a familiar rally pattern. With the rally pattern we see is around 133. They say the pattern, this is like the pattern from here, 6 candle. After 6 candle is hit the 120, and next 6 candle is may hit the 133 in the chart of the 1 day. And now 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart is may meet in the right shoulder head. This head and shoulder, uh, head and shoulder, and it jump into this
So when
triangle.
they move towards the end of the triangle,
Yeah, the end of the triangle.
possibility will be either going quicker up or down.
No, this is so the previous one we see
Previous
we are
one.
in the 22nd, and now we are at the 119. We are at the end of the triangle. Now it's go to another part of the triangle. VIX falls at Bitcoin signal growing market in event. VIX is volatility index in the VIX. Yeah.
Volatility index.
Yeah. Volatility
Y
index
X.
is
Oh, yeah.
yeah.
Index. IX is the index. Yeah.
Yeah. Volatility index. And we see in the chart, we say the VIX fall with the CBOE. CBOE, we see is Bitcoin index collateral. We see now is in the red color. Yeah. Maybe we need to take more time to
You just need
have a look at this.
to use more time to study it.
Yeah, to study this more, because in the chart show that some of the collateral asset with the Bitcoins and with the price of the Bitcoin would mix up in here compared with the other market like Nasdaq, like Russell, like MOB, Russell Index, and Nikkei, something like that. And with the CBOE VIX, yeah, is different. Yeah, the more recent, according to unfactual BTC 2025 YTD collateral with the VIX stand at the minus 59.9%. Yeah, it's so that often the Bitcoin is independent with the volatile price movement. Here's a fix of fear index market monitor. Okay, we move to the next article. The next thing about the price of the Bitcoin on the altcoin. When the Bitcoin remain around 119 to 120, we see all the altcoin have the good movement. We see the Ethereum, we see the Ripple, BNB, all the altcoin now move up. A lot of people say that we are moving near to the altcoin season. Yeah, let's see the chart. with the unconditional advice. Here's here's the uh, inconsistent index. Yeah, uh, we are at the 52 point. Yeah, we are in the middle. Inconsistent will come in soon. Next few days, next few months, this one show up to us that the the uncoin market cap is the red color, and inconsistent is inconsistent index is a blue one, and with the Bitcoin is Bitcoin. No, this not uncoin. Uh, if the dot become the green color, the blue color is inconsistent, and now we are at the red color. Right now we are around 53. 53. We are around here. When the line, the dot change to the blue one, we at the inconsistent. Uh, Year high. Last year the inconsistent is December 4. December 4. And now we also have that we think that the inconsistent may around December or November after Fed cut the interest rate. And let's see some of the data fields index. With this index, we're at the 70. Maybe rich, yeah, so rich. That's why extreme rich around 88 last year November. So maybe a few months, next few months, we see how this time a lot of people feel excited about this. Yeah, with the inconsistent, some of the coin fly up like Ripple, BNB, so IDA, ETC, LTC, a lot expand. So yeah, that's why a lot of good news come now. Uh, uh, we uh, we need to clearly to see more about the article, the news, and let's see how we have some other news about the wrap up wiki crypto Trump media. Yeah, uh, let's see about the Trump media. Recently, we see Trump media has announced a substantial 2 billion Bitcoin holding. Yeah. Strategical aligned with evolving crypto regulation landscape. And we also see the Ethereum momentum build, Ethereum widely building significant momentum, evidenced by the core ETF inflow, AI in digital safety, AI role being explored in the taking up issue and the market reaction. Just now we see the Lupo Murano transitioning 1 billion area stack asset into Bitcoin, yeah, with an ambition target of building up a 10 billion Bitcoin treasury. This more detail about the headline we talk here. Yeah. Where the yeah. We see that Russia on the messaging app. Russia has started it will not ban the foreign messaging app, including Telegram, provided by the combined with the local Russian law. Yeah, this this some of the headline the news from us from St. today. Now let me see how many of our portfolio portfolio. Our portfolio now, of course, we have profits now. Total profit is 25.8% because we this year keep buying $10 each. Okay. I think it's a time for us to complete our live stream this morning. Yeah. If you have any question, please let us know. Mr. Nicholas, do you want to say something before we
Right.
complete?
Thank you for finding us. We hope you make some money. Of course, remember do your own due diligence when you are investing in crypto. And we see you in our next live stream. Bye bye.
Yeah. See you in our next.